Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Learn English with Shelly Viva. Today I will be teaching the past simple tense, so let's get started. Now before getting started, if you like my videos, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I do appreciate all of your support. Thank you so much. And let's get started with the past simple tense. The past simple tense is used to talk about completed actions that happened in the past. In order to form the past simple tense, we need the subject plus the past verb plus the rest of the sentence. Please do note, most verbs in the past simple tense don't change with the subject. Also, all regular verbs for the past simple tense end with ed. Now let's take a look at some past simple tense examples. First example is, I watched a movie last night. You watched a movie last night. She watched a movie last night. He watched a movie last night. They watched a movie last night. We watched a movie last night. It worked last night. Linda listened to a lot of songs. I cleaned my place today, which is an informal way to say it. And the formal way is, I cleaned my house today. We watched a live band performance on Saturday. Peter exercised yesterday. Now it's time for a quick activity. Make past simple tense sentences with the following verbs: dance, start, wash, work, and the last one, finish. And your sentences can vary, but please make sure they're in the past simple tense. Good luck! Hopefully you did well. If not, that's okay. Practice makes perfect. Now you can see my answers. As I've mentioned before, answers may vary. So let's get started with my first one. Last Saturday, we danced in the Victorian ballroom. Second sentence is, I started badminton classes last week. 3 days ago, Jim washed our car. They worked until 9 p.m. last night. And the last one is, Kendra finished her homework. Thank you so much for watching my video. For more videos, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all your support. Thank you so much.